Okay, so another update for this week, December 14th. Let's get right into it. Gold, we are still looking to build off of last week's plan, which was to go long. We got a nice weekly closure above the highs. We've never closed this high before, and I'm expecting price to go to all-time highs. Last week we took two entries. The first one being on Thursday when we broke out of the consolidation and confirmed it. We took an entry based on the daily close here. And then on Friday, we actually took I took another small scale in after this big pullback. From what I know about gold, it's notorious for doing these sharp, big pullbacks and then retracing them right away when it's in a strong trend. So I'm expecting that to occur again, and I'm going to try to keep taking more scale ins until we get to my all-time high take profit target. So that's what we're watching this week on gold. We're just expecting longs, and that's it. Number two is Tesla. So last week we got the first closure as well above any high that we've had before. So to me, I consider body closes much more important than wicks. And in this scenario, this is kind of like an all-time high to me if we've actually closed at that price. So I'm expecting Tesla to, usually it moves very fast and super quick. So I took my first entry on the close on Friday, and I'm gonna look to scale in more if I get the opportunity, but I'm expecting Tesla to go pretty much straight to 500 for sure, and then probably even higher to maybe 550. But so I'm in, and I'm gonna keep looking to go long as long as it keeps confirming the upside bias to me. Next up, we have JPY. Still bullish on this name. We took our original entry on Monday last week, but I closed it on Wednesday at break even when we got this big rejection. Price kind of messed around, and now it's starting to come back a little bit. So if price can give me some nice confirmations to the upside that we're looking to go back up, and I expect it to make another higher high. If you look at the trend lately, it's just been clean higher lows and higher highs. I did hear that there is a rate cut meeting happening this week, I think for JPY as well. So that could be the catalyst to push it. But usually what I've noticed with Forex bears especially, they often will they'll tell you what price is gonna do before, like it'll be in an uptrend and news will come out and it continues higher. So we will just kind of look to follow the trend for now. But yeah, waiting for more confirmation, and I'm ready to take another entry on JPY again. Silver, I expect it to move just like gold. I'm expecting gold to go higher, so I'm looking for silver to continue higher as well. And I'm not no positions on this at all because I generally do just focus on gold because they're pretty much the same pair. But lately, silver's been the much better trade. But yeah, nothing, no positions, but expecting this to go higher. Bitcoin weekend sold off a little bit, but we'll see what happens on Monday. I usually don't consider Saturday and Sunday as things to trade off of or from. But anyways, I still expect Bitcoin to hold these levels, these weekly and monthly lower high points, and kind of start to go back up from here. But no confirmations yet, so no entries for sure. And lastly, US30, it's back at all-time high, and nothing much here. I'm not looking to take anything on US30. As I've said before on the last video, that I've noticed that indices are best to trade during big drawdowns and the recoveries, but once we get back to the all-time high, it's just grindy and choppy price action, and I'm just not interested in that. So that's the update for this week. That's what I'm watching most. Gold and Tesla are my number one and two. JPY number three. In these two, looking to enter here. that's about it. And I will come back for another update soon this week to go over the positions and how we're doing. So thanks for watching and good luck.